Before using inverse operations, I need to first make sure that both sides of my equation are fully simplified. That means I need to use the distributive property and then combine like terms. In this first example, the left-hand side needs to be simplified. I don't need to use the distributive property, there aren't any parentheses, but I do need to combine like terms. First set of like terms is negative x and negative 2x. So negative x minus 2x is negative 3x. Second set of like terms is 3 and negative 18. 3 minus 18 is minus 15. You could write plus negative 15 if you'd like. So we have fully simplified the left-hand side, negative 3x minus 15, and then the right-hand side doesn't need to be simplified. There's nothing to do, negative 9. Now that I've simplified the left-hand side and the right-hand side doesn't need to be simplified, now I can use inverse operations. First inverse operation is to add 15 to both sides of my equation. Negative 3x minus 15 plus 15 is just negative 3x. And then negative 9 plus 15 is 6. Second inverse operation, I undo times negative 3 by dividing by negative 3. Negative 3x divided by negative 3 just leaves me with x. And then 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 is my solution to this equation. Next example, I do need to use the distributive property first. The left-hand side doesn't need to be simplified. There's nothing to do, just negative 11. For the right-hand side, first I need to use the distributive property. Negative 2 times x, negative 2 times 1. So I have 1, negative 2 times x is minus 2x, and the negative 2 times 1 is minus 2. I still cannot use inverse operations. First, I need to combine like terms. So I need to combine the 1 and the negative 2. I could write this as negative 1 minus 2x. I'm just going to go ahead and write it as negative 2x minus 1 because that's more common, but either's fine. Now I can use inverse operations. I have fully simplified the right-hand side, and the left-hand side didn't need to be simplified. So plus 1 leaves me with negative 10 equals negative 2x. Now I divide both sides by negative 2. Second inverse operation. Negative 10 divided by negative 2 is 5. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 just leaves me with x. And this is my solution to the equation. 5 is my solution to the equation. Negative 11 equals 1 minus 2 times x plus 1.